So today I want to walk you through how to make your Instagram account private. Hopefully this is an easy to follow step-by-step tutorial for you. If you could like the video, subscribe. It's an easy way to help support the work that we're doing here, and we really appreciate it. So let's get started. Now, just to show you what I'm talking about with making it private, I'm just going to grab a random video or random account, and we'll see here. This account is private. So this is what we're trying to do to our account, and how we're going to do that. It's really, really simple. We would just open up our profile, go to our settings here. And then in the settings, we would find account privacy, and we will toggle this on. Now, you will not be able to turn this on if you have a professional account. You would have to revert that back to a personal account. And I'll put a video somewhere up here and in the description on how to do that. It's super easy. So if I try to turn this private account on and I say switch to private, it's going to say, hey, no, you can't do that. You need a personal account. But just to show you what it would look like, let's see here. If I go to my other account, hit this account privacy, private account. If I do turn this on, it will give me an option to review my followers. I can do that if I want, or hit cancel. But that is going to put my account into private mode. So guys, again, I hope this helped. If it did, if you could like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.